Hello everyone. In the previous session we discussed about the array, single dimensional and that is one dimensional, and the 2D array as well, right? And dynamic array we discussed as well. And today we'll discuss about the array methods. There are many inbuilt methods which VB provides us that we can use directly on our array. So let's see which are these methods are. So here we have the list of methods which are very common, or we can say that most in use. So let's start with the first method, that is the binary search method. I guess we all know what is method, right? As we have already discussed about the difference between properties, methods and events, right? Let me give you one example. So if you remember, when we take form, let's say we have a form. So load is an event. Load is an event, while close is a method, right? Close is a method. We have already discussed the difference between the event and the method, right? Load is, event means something which we want to trigger, and method means after triggering this event what you want to perform, that we call the method. So here we have the array methods which we can use in our project, in our application. First is a binary search. So what is the binary search and how you can write? You can write this way. Just write down the name of your array dot binary search. This function, this method takes two parameters. First, the name of the array and the element or the value which you want to search in the 1D array. So this method works for the 1D sorted array. It requires sorted array and you can search for this particular element. This is the one method. Then clear is another method. As name suggests, it will clear the portion or the some area or some elements. So it sets the range of elements in the array to 0, false or null depending on the data type of the element. Simply you can write down the name of the array dot clear, then name of the array, then your index from which you want to clear the content, and the length means how many elements you want to clear. Like if I start from the 1 or the 0 or the 2, then after that index how many elements I want to clear. So that is about the clear method. Then we have a copy method. It copies a section of one array to another array. Means here we have two arrays and we are just copying the first array in the second array. For that we need to write the name of the array dot copy. It takes 5 parameters. First, your source array. Here we have taken integer myArray is the name of the source array. Then the starting point from where you want to copy. Then the destination array means where you want to copy. In the destination array, from where you want to start. And here is the length, means how many characters you want to copy. So this is about the copy method. Then we have a copy to method. This copies all the elements. In this it will copy all the elements of one-dimensional array to the specified 1D array, starting at a specified starting point, right? Here we give the, here we give the length, right? Here we give the length, but here it will copy, in the copy to method it will copy all the elements. And for that, what you can write, the name of the array, then dot then copy to method, and in the parameter simply give the name of the array and same name of the array, and simply give the point or the starting at the specified starting point, means it should start from this location. And after that all the means here we are not specifying the length, we are just giving the starting point or the starting index. So that is the copy to method. Then we have a get length. Okay, as name suggests, it's very easy. It gets the number of elements. It gets the number of elements in the specified dimension of an array. It will just give the length of the array. And for that you can write name of the array, then dot get length, and simply provide the index, and it will give the total number of elements in the array. Okay, then we have get upper bound. The meaning of the upper bound means we are talking about the last value. So gets the upper bound value, it will give the value, but which value? Upper bound value, and the upper bound value means the last element. You simply need to write the name of the array and dot and function along with the dimension or the index. And then we have the reverse. Okay, as name suggests, simply you can reverse the array, and for that you just need to write the array dot reverse, and then in a parameter just give the name of the array which you want to reverse. In the last we have sort. Last we have sorting, and what you can do, of course sorting means it will sort your array in ascending order. Simply write the array then dot sort, and in the parameter provide the name of the array which you want to sort. Right, so this is about the some basic methods or some common methods. Normally we use all these methods in our during the development, we require this. So these are the basic methods. You can perform a practical, you can take two arrays and you can perform all these operations. You can see the output, right, and you can check that how all these methods work. So that's it for array methods.